everyone, welcome to a KEENVERSE tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about the Pythagoras Theorem. What is the Pythagoras Theorem? Before we get on to that, there are some crucial things we need to understand. So first, we need to understand what is a right-angled triangle. So you can see a triangle on the screen, and we know that this is a right-angled triangle because the vertical line and the horizontal line intersect at right angles, which means the angle between them is 90 degrees. And if a triangle meets this criteria, then we call that a right-angled triangle. So moving on, I'm going to label the sides of the triangle as A, B, and C. A and B being the smaller two sides, and C being the longer diagonal side, which we also call the hypotenuse. Next, I'm going to make a square using each of the sides of the triangle. So I'm going to make a square with side length A. I'm going to make a second square with side length B. And I'm going to make a third square with side length C. Now, why am I doing this? Because the Pythagoras theorem can be easily visualized through the relationship between the areas of these squares. Let me explain. First, we need to be able to calculate the area of a square. Well, we know that the area of a square or a rectangle with a given length and width is equal to length multiplied by the width. Now, for a square specifically, we know that the length is also equal to the width. So therefore, we can simplify it as length times length, which can be mathematically simplified to length squared. Just like, for example, 3 times 3, we can mathematically simplify it as 3 squared, which of course equals to 9. So using that logic, we can derive the area of the square with side length A as A squared. We can then derive the area of the second square of side length B as B squared. And then we can also derive the area of the third square with side length C as C squared. And now, let's get on to what the Pythagoras theorem actually is. It states that A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. Now, think about what that means. Even though it is a relationship between the sides of the triangle, it is essentially means the area of the square with side length A, which is this area, plus the area of the square with side length B, which is this area, equals the area of the square with side length C, which is this area. This is the Pythagoras theorem. In the next video, we'll go through a proof of the Pythagoras theorem using some basic geometry and algebra. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with all our latest content. For even more regular updates, as well as all our videos, make sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Links are all in the description below. And don't forget, you can book your complimentary 30-minute consultation now, where we can deep dive into your current understanding of each subject. Our team can craft a personalized plan designed just for you, ensuring you accelerate your learning and achieve your goals. Secure your spot today, and let's embark on this educational adventure together. We can't wait to bring you more exciting content in the future. Until next time, stay tuned, stay connected, and take care of yourself.